the same thing will, on the other hand, if you are in a business that exports, maybe for instance to United States, and because government is going to impose tariff on those goods, it means the price at which your customers are buying the goods that you are exporting will increase. Two things could happen here. It may mean that you are going to sell lower quantity you are going to export lower quantity than you used to do before, especially because the price has gone up and your customer cannot order as many quantity as they used to order before. Or if you want to maintain the quantity, it means you have to lower your margin to accommodate you want to achieve the same velocity, so you have to lower your price so that your good will still be attractive. Either way, your cash flow is affected negatively. So if you lower your margin, it means your profit is reduced, and when your profit is reduced, your net cash flow is reduced. That is one aspect.